Good morning from downtown Celebration, located just outside of Disney World here in Florida. Today we are here because last night we actually stayed over here because we saw Bowling for Soup in concert last night at Epcot. And then today we're going to see the Beach Boys. So right now we're just hanging out in downtown Celebration, but I'm gonna put some clips in from last night's concert as well as a super quick room tour. We're going here for the one night into this vlog. And then we'll pick her right back up at Epcot. So enjoy Bowling for Soup 1985, baby. And let's have a great day. Thanks so much for tuning in. So the hotel we stayed at last night is the Celebration Inn that is located in downtown Celebration. It's an autograph collection hotel by Marriott. So yeah, this is just a look at it. Now let's go take a look at the room. Here is a quick look at the room we stayed in last night. 2 queen beds, nothing too crazy. But now, let's go look at those Bowling for Soup clips.
Hey, bowling for soup, hey, bowling for soup, hey, bowling for soup, hey, bowling for soup, hey. Get ready everyone, for some crazy fun. The greatest show on earth is here for you. Hey, hey. The boys are back in town, we're gonna party down, cause here comes bowling for soup. Come along with us, get on the party bus. Here comes bowling for soup. Hey, hey. Here comes bowling for soup. Hey, hey. Here comes bowling for soup. Hey. Since the eve of the bad mics is zero, here's Epcot zero. What comes next? Singing songs different chords. Stupid, contagious, stupid, broken, famous. Can someone please save us from Rock 101? All about the Lone Star State. You guys look great. There's a seat for you at the rodeo, and I've got every slow down. Everybody, spirit fingers. Now the jazz hands. Now everybody, wacky waving inflatable arm like 2 men. Now everybody, one hand wave to Rob and one hand wave to Gary. Good double wave. Good job by you guys. You were the first audience ever to do that at Epcot right there. At least today. First double wavers. Platypus variety. We're not going to play that tonight, but actually that's not true. We did last set. Sorry guys. We already did it. Just kidding. Are you ready? I can't hear you. Wouldn't that be funny? There's 104 days of summer vacation. No school comes along just to end it. So the like maybe you're fighting the mommy, you're climbing up the Eiffel Tower. Discovering something that doesn't exist. You're feeling a monkey a shower. So the title is creating an above. Look at the flames, starts to blaze over there. You're a bird, maybe you're coming and driving a sister and say, there's a whole lot of stuff until the fool's phone starts to fall. Sleep with us, guys, Vinny is the verb, are gonna do it all. Sleep with us, guys, Vinny is the verb, are gonna do it all. Just hit the wall, she never had it all. One workout a day, those means a CPA. They're juicing out the door, she turned 24. Living with one man, what happened to her plan? She was gonna be an actress, she was gonna be a star. She was gonna shake it right, the hood up when she started. The yellow SUV was now the enemy. Inside her average life, nothing has been alright since the sweet Madonna. Way before Nirvana, there was U2 and Blondie. Music's still on it. in high school. Tell her that she's uncool. She's still preoccupied. 1985. 1985. She's seen all the classics. She knows every line. Records look pretty in pink. The insane almost fire. She rocked out to Wham on a big Limp Bizkit fan. Thought she'd get a hand on a Duran. Who's the minister? Make the snake stand. Who's the other guy that's eating in their head? It's in reality. Become TV. Whatever happened to sitcoms, angels on the radio? Was we seen Madonna waiting for Nirvana? There was U2 and Blondie. Music still on MTV. Her 2 kids in high school. Tell her that she's uncool. She's still preoccupied. 1985. She hates time. Make it stop. When did Motley Crue become classic rock? Wicked Ozzy become an actor. Please make this stop. And bring back Susie Madonna. Waiting for Nirvana. There was U2 and Blondie. Music still on MTV. Her 2 kids in high school. Tell her that she's uncool. She's still preoccupied. 1985. Susie Madonna. Waiting for Nirvana. There was U2 and Blondie. Music still on MTV. Her 2 kids in high school. Tell her that she's uncool. She's still preoccupied. 1985. Thank y'all so much. See you next time.
So we have made it into Epcot. We are in China. That's where the end of the line for the shows are right now for standby. And it wraps all the way to the theater for the Beach Boys. Everyone wants to see John Stamos. Luckily, we have people in line that are around the Italy section because honestly, I don't even know if you're back here if you're making the 8 o'clock show. So, craziness right now. Yes, we are here for the Beach Boys. Feels leaving, but Beach Boys made the first show, so I'll get some food for you guys. Don't worry. One thing I'll say about concerts on busy nights like tonight is it's chaos to move around back here. Pure chaos to move around back this way to get in and out. Probably good tens of thousands of people. Got people leaving the first show, getting into the next show. Also people are just like out here drinking around the world. So definitely chaos. But how good was that, huh? I'll get full thoughts in a minute, but that was pretty awesome. That like hit my childhood. 2 nights in a row. You got like childhood with this one, and you got like my early teenage years with last night with Bowling for Soup. So good. Thoughts coming up in a minute. Let me get through this. Alrighty, so we made it to the front of Epcot now. You can see the ball behind me. That was chaotic. That was a little shadowy. That was chaotic. That was. I've never seen it that bad before trying to get out of there. We were in a standstill, like could not move because so many people were trying to push through, like worse than New Year's Eve, worse than the 50th even, just trying to get out of America into Japan. Crazy. Feel bad for those cast members back there. It's gonna be a long night for them. But the show was awesome. Seeing John Stamos was cool. The Beach Boys, some of them still got it, some of them don't as much, but still fun to see them play a quick set. It was free. Even last night, Bowling for Soup, got to see the Phineas and Ferb theme song as well as 1985. That was awesome. Fun little weekend out here. Staying in Celebration. I didn't show too much of Celebration. Celebration's a great spot. If you've never been there, go down there for lunch. Farmers market Sunday morning. The houses are gorgeous. It gives a real like Boston, New England feel to the area, which is super fun. So we enjoyed that a lot. We might stay there again. If I do, I'll bring you along with me in more in depth this time. But hope you guys enjoyed those quick 2 shows. I know I didn't do much over here, but we're in holiday season now, so more holiday stuff coming up next. Thanks so much for tuning in. We'll see y'all later. Have a good one. Also, real quick, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave a comment, get that engagement up. We're getting super close to that next milestone. So thanks so much for tuning in. We'll see y'all next time. Bye.